Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Be blessed all the time. Every night and every day. Don't forget to say La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. Never forget to say La ilaha illallah. Every night and every day, every night and every day, never forget to say La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam.